Welcome back, Rich Nation. My name is AJ, and today we're going to be continuing Slime Diaries episodes 2 and 3. The first episode was just extremely wholesome, and that's a lot to say about a show that was initially pretty wholesome already. So going from, how dark it really got near the end of, near the end of season 2, part 1, is kind of very refreshing. So I expect this series to be just mostly wholesome stuff, which I'm not going to complain about. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, hit that notification bell. You can also check out these episodes early and uncut over on patreon.com/ajrich123. And let's go ahead and start. It's like nothing bad can happen in this version. So what we saw on the original series is maybe 1%, and this is 99% of what Rimuru deals with, meaning the easy stuff. Every other day was him just stretching and chilling and doing a lot of nothing. That's how you know you're really, really bored. That's like walking around just saying left foot, right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot, right foot. 20 seconds. Oh, okay, that was not the right. That sounded like something completely different. There's so much you can do here, though. So many people to interact with. Gopta probably chills and does a lot of this all the time. I mean, there's plenty of ladies. Oh, yeah, he's supposed to be training, right? Rimuru, you don't have to run. They worship you like crazy. You can chill. Gopta, on the other hand. Yes, exactly. Some nice brother and sister moments. You wouldn't think characters like that would take days off, ever. Like I said, it's nice spending time with the brother and sister. It's like me as a kid. My parents kicking me out. Go spend time outside for 8 hours. We don't want you in the house. Okay. We'll go skate in the cul-de-sac. He's probably just so used to working 24/7. You gotta take a break sometimes. Or maybe not. Maybe he's used to like scaring kids and they're not actually scared of him. Okay, let's go troller. Why not? He's got so much time on his hands. He might as well do that to everybody. You just gotta create things to do if you're that bored. I've never seen someone so hyped to go work in the fields. Let's go do labor! You gotta love having this many positive people because they'll do whatever you say, even the crappy work. Even the crap. Can we have... If I worked at jobs like this, that everyone was this positive, I would love going to work. Like, all the time. I think no one would complain about work if they were all like this. He's training, yeah. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it was gonna have something to do with that. Until you're caught. Oh, you're gonna make him do all your work? In 2 episodes, he's already had more screen time in lines than the entire series. Or to do your work. It's like you got a level 4 hoe, or level 4 pickaxe, or level 4 shit, like any type of upgraded weapon or harvesting weapon. That usually takes like a month of grinding for. It doesn't sound appetizing at all when you say it like that. It's like revenge for the food she's been feeding him. So she's just gonna believe anything he says. Oh, SHION. You're so perfect. You just gave her the ingredients to make even worse food for you. Yeah, if you're used to doing something, or you grew up doing it, or the environment, you could have an advantage in certain things. Dancing is not working. I don't care what you think. Now you have a slime hat. With a hat. Isn't that every day here, though? The positivity is so addicting. It's to scare, yeah. Scare monsters. Creeps. What the hell is with the purple little feather? Gotta look like a goblin to be scarier? Oh, okay. A manlier version of you. Isn't it kind of sad, though, that a scarecrow looks more intimidating than you? Okay, it did the opposite. It looked like that painting. You know that painting with the scary person scared? I wonder if that's what they were going for with that shot. Ninjas want a ninja. Actually, if you could like pull up the dirt, you can make harvesting faster. Those are like perfect measurements. Like measured. Some more characters that never had any lines. And it's really showing that Shuna does a lot more than we saw. She kind of does everything. What are they doing? Oh, they're making clothes for that? Wait, did they just visualize the body and now they're gonna make the clothes perfectly to their curves? That is impressive but creepy at the same time. But I wouldn't want it any other way. They gotta, I mean, that's just talent. Looks like it's pretty satisfying. So. I think he was just thinking to help you, you know, work faster, get hacks. I don't know about that advice. Just hit the gym. Do they have a gym in this village? I guess they probably have a dojo, obviously. He doesn't seem like somebody that would be picky with his food. Things you never asked to know. This show is delivering. Rimuru just looks so happy. I really just want to keep him like that. Yeah, I like that shot. Too bad they don't use more of those angles during the regular show. Like during a fight scene, you could make a fight scene really hype by panning out like that and then going close up and in. So everybody just gets drunk after work every day. Some of these lines, man, I think I have a perverted mind. She just... I mean, she likes being around things like this. We're actually getting a good waifu with more screen time. I love the rain so much. I kind of see it as the opposite, but I grew up in it, so. It's her natural habitat. You're about to get struck by lightning or something. Gopta's a savage. Holy crap. But if you think about it like the normal way, then yeah, that kind of makes sense. Oh, that's great. Oh man. I forgot I'm recording two at the same time here, so we'll go back to this. But you gotta love, and I think I'm gonna keep repeating myself here when it comes to just the atmosphere of these episodes and just the feel-good vibes, the wholesomeness. I don't know what it is, but it's just it's super slow paced, obviously, and that's saying something because we had some episodes in the original series that felt like this sometimes. We had some wholesome episodes, but this actually goes even more in that direction. But I don't know. It's still satisfying. Maybe that just shows how much you like. If you like the characters and you already like the environment, then episodes like this is just going to feel like a bonus. And that's the way it feels to me anyway. It seems to be always nice year round. I just appreciate her more and more. She's going higher in my waifu tier list of this show. I feel. Look, a couple really have the last couple episodes. Like a sunflower. Those sunflowers look like they were about to attack. Like this was an RPG. Or they just want some water. You liked it for the first couple minutes. Can we give him his eyes back? That's the only thing I'm missing in this here. It's just unsettling. That could have happened. Lots of things, especially in this world, seem to affect the environment. It's not inside Rimuru at all. If you say it like that out of context, it just sounds horrible. Friended you and then I ate you. So this is what Veldora's been doing the whole time? Playing chess? Great Sage hasn't had much screen time in this. Yes, wear less. SHION, yes. Though I will say I do miss her more thicker version of her in the regular series. Of course she'll do it. And that's why we love SHION. That reminds me, I haven't had watermelon in forever. Super random, but I want some watermelon now. Some cantaloupe. They're probably bigger or something, or creepier. Yeah, you never know what they're gonna look like in this world. They even seem nervous, so it's probably dangerous too. They're all gonna be monster-like. Ass kicked by a beetle. Looks more like a water gun fight, yeah. You're kind of saying that to the wrong person. Rimuru could devour you immediately. Or just throw slime at you. Oh, I knew it. I knew it. You want a water gun? Here's a real water gun. It's more like a hydro pump. Rimuru just went Blastoise on your ass. Faithful doggy. Does he have a doggy ball? I swear to God, I just saw one. Aww. He reminds me more of like a husky. Like a... This is how a husky dog would... Man, I want a husky dog. This is what your dogs think when you neglect them. Remember this. Wait. Shion, you can't be jealous of the dog, can you? You could give Rimuru what the dog could never do. You can all share him equally. At least you're playing with him. Exactly what they didn't want. I'm guessing we're not going to get any fights in this series. Shion and Ronga fighting. I don't know if that counts. I am all for that contest. They all feel like main characters in this series too. Another thing I've noticed. Everybody's a main character now. It's more of an ensemble. That's why you don't eat their... It's your cooking? This is a record. He's in every episode with lines. It's like they know where they didn't give screen time to. Out of transformations, by getting named, he looked the most normal. Especially from what he used to look like. What the fuck? It's cuddle time. You never say no to that. Ever. You can't complain though. It is true in her head. Now this is a fight I wouldn't mind. Except if Rimuru gets hurt in the process. You can't break him, so it's okay. Just share him. There you go. Oh my God. He turned into a beanbag. You never got this type of attention. This is the type of stuff you only saw whatever was in your computer. That stuff was probably happening. This isn't... I think you can spoil them. One tomato. Another thing we're getting with this show is giving some of these characters with not shown personality, like a layered personality, and actually giving them a bit of character development. See, this is the best bar. So this is where Rimuru was going every night, getting spoiled by her. You got SHION and Shuna during the day and her at night. What else can a man ask for slime? What is she putting in that drink? Oh, or in the bowl. She kind of took it over, right? That's something I've never been able to see is fireflies. Fireflies at night. God, the atmosphere. Reminds him of his childhood in real life. I mean, I would do the same thing if you get like a redo and you get to actually live life again, even like this. I'm sure he wished this was every day and not some of the episodes we got in Slime Season 2. All the slimes are out. So this is where all the regular slimes are? All the slimes from Dragon Quest have appeared. Actually, anyone know if that anime is any good? Anyone watched it? Random question. I played a couple games, but anime sounded interesting. What the fuck? It's like you're with your family of slimes there. You could have a slime army if you wanted to. If he named the slimes, could he power them up? That is actually a really good question. Like, all those slimes there, we know he can name things. If he named the slimes, could he level them up and then have an army of slimes? Then they would have to take slime seriously in that world, because every time, if you thought about it, like every time, oh, that's a slime, nobody ever took them seriously. But wouldn't that be great revenge, having a freaking town full of slimes that are like all level 100 or level 1,000,000, being able to, I don't know. I don't know what I'm thinking there, but it sounds funny. God, these episodes kind of showed that Shuna does a lot more than is shown completely. SHION is thirsty all the time. but really not just him. Everybody, like, we know that everybody is a Rimuru fanboy or fangirl. They want, they want time with him. But seeing Ronga like miss him and everybody kind of fight for his attention, you don't really see a ton of, we get like a few episodes in the original show of how much downtime, or the downtime that he has and being able to spend a little bit, but he's always off doing something. And I knew there was got to be some more time where he's actually spending time with them, and this really shows it, that he spent an immense amount of time with all of them. And I don't know how Rimuru can ever complain, because it doesn't show in the series how much time he's actually spending with not just SHION, but Shuna and some of the other girls that get nowhere near as much screen time. There's more possibilities than you would think. But I love it. I love seeing the characters get characters that were neglected getting more time. It's great. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, hit that notification bell. You can also check out these episodes early and uncut over on patreon.com/ajrich123. You can also check out our Discord, Twitter, Twitch, and all my links are in the description down below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.